show you what I got in this box from Spellbinders. This is going to be the club kits for June 2023. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what they sent me. Okay, so here's the thing. I opened up the box and I took out the paper, and the first thing I saw in here made me think, oh my god, I want to play. So because of that, I am doing this unboxing video a bit early. I'm also going to look before I pull it out because I don't want to show something that's not in the club kits for June in the wrong video. So okay, so the first thing I pulled out, and this is what got me excited, this is the 3D embossing folder of the month for June. And oh my goodness, it is all beachy, and let me get out a piece of cardstock so you can see a little bit better. I think this off-white will help. But you see that we've got all of these nice shells and starfish, and I'm in Florida. I love this. So this one is basically a whole summery beachy theme, right? And I think I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so next, what do we have here? Like I said, I am going to take a look. Okay, so this one is the clear stamp of the month for June and the clear die of the month. Now, none of these, when I get my stuff in from Spellbinders, they don't have any packaging. I don't have the names of anything, but before I release the video, I will make sure to leave you guys all of the names of all of the things. But the clear stamp of die of the month, you're gonna die for this. Look at that. We have got we've got some coral, we've got an adorable little whale, we've got some sentiments, jellyfish, crab, oh my goodness, even a hibiscus. I think this is just more than one hibiscus in here. These are so cute. So we've got see, S-E-A, see you soon, I'll cross the ocean for you. I'm inking of you, which means something having to do with octopus. Oh my god. Whale, hello there. Water, you up to, make waves and seize the day. This is going to be so much fun. And of course, we've got all of the fun dies to go along with it. And if Spellbinders did what they usually do, there's probably one for each of the stamps in this set. I will have to check that out. Okay, next we have, this is the Glimmer of the month. And we have some fabulous ocean waves. I am probably going to have to play with this stuff really, really early because, oh my god, this is too pretty. The sentiment says, sending an ocean of thanks. So this is for a thank you card. So we've got our ocean waves. We've got different border dies that go along with our waves. And this one goes there. This one goes there, which means you can foil and cut out strips, okay? This one goes here. And this one, so that would be kind of cool for some different belly bands, right? So you have got this as one piece of cardstock and that as one piece of cardstock. You could layer it. I've got all these ideas going through my brain. Okay, let me put that away because I will get myself in trouble. I mean, I get excited about all things Spellbinders anyway, but sometimes they just knock it right out of the park. And this is my first time seeing these guys, okay? I had not seen these. So that's 3 of the kits that I get. And the Glimmer foil that they sent me is called Sky Bright, which is kind of this blue-green, light blue-green teal, which I think is going to go fabulous with those waves. And then I am looking to see what everything else is because I don't want to show the wrong thing. This one is the large die of the month for June. Okay. I think I know what this one is. Okay, we've got, this is a bottle. Okay, so we've got a bottle. And then let's see what else we have to go along with this bottle. Thinking all the whole ocean theme things, right? So that looks like we've got dies for a whale. Look at that. So this is a layering die set. Let me grab out my magnet, make it easier for me to pick it up. So this one is a layering die. So we've got our little whale. Do you see that? That is super cute. And these look like they are probably different wave layers. This one is for some coral. This one, this one is for the water coming out of his spout. There is a little tag, and this is the first time I've seen it. I have not seen this before. So just so you know, here is a little tag that says for you. And then you can also have it say hi. Then this is another piece of coral or some seaweed. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. So this looks like it is going to be the cork. And that looks like it's a bit of the cork too to go in the top of our little bottle. So we're basically going to have like an ocean in a bottle with our with our little whale. This is just too fun. Okay, so this is everything that I've received in the June club kits from Spellbinders, and I am gonna have so much fun playing with all of these ocean theme things. Let me make sure I don't lose any of the bits, and I can't wait to show you what I create with this. You guys have a wonderful day. If you want to see more projects where I am using Spellbinders products, be sure to check out this playlist, and I will see you soon. You guys have a great day. Bye guys.